Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with Microsoft OneDrive step by step clearly. To transfer files with Microsoft OneDrive, start by ensuring you have an active Microsoft account. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will see your OneDrive interface. To upload files, click on the Upload button located at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Files if you want to upload individual files, or Folder if you'd like to upload multiple files within a single folder. Browse your computer to find the files or folders you wish to upload. Select the desired files or folders and click Open. The upload process will begin, and after the upload is complete, you will see the uploaded files in your OneDrive. To transfer files from OneDrive to your computer, find the file you want to download. Right-click on the file, or click the circle icon next to it. Select Download from the context menu. The file will begin to download to your default Downloads folder. For mobile devices, download the OneDrive app from your device's App Store. Open the app and log in with your Microsoft account. To upload files, tap the plus icon, then select Upload. Choose files from your device to upload to OneDrive. To download files, locate the file in the app and tap on the three dots next to it. Select Download to save it to your device. Remember, you can also share files directly from OneDrive by clicking the Share button. Enter the email address of the person you'd like to share with. Add a message if desired, then click Send. Now you've successfully transferred files using Microsoft OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.